Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another quick look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines with Billy the Bumblebee. And he's going to help us look at this one, which is issue number 43 of the ImagineFX magazine from May 2009, and it promises to be a Manga Special. So let's go and have a look and see if it satisfies. Last week we looked at this one, which was, well, it's all about like Watchmen. The Watchmen film had just come out. Wasn't my favourite issue, but my favouriteest issue so far for the covers is this one. Issue number 40 for February 2009. Adam Hughes cover. That is, I've got a feeling it's going to be my favourite cover of the year. But look at that, I love that one, and that's only the back cover, and I like this pink, but Billy's going to flip it for us. Ah, that's still my favourite. I do love this one, but I like the way they've put the Japanese writing on it. I like that actually. I believe this is the subscriber cover. Yeah, this is the subscriber cover, and they decided to leave the Japanese writing on it, which I think is actually quite a cool idea. Whilst it's a beautiful character, look how beautiful she is. My only problem with it is I've seen this artwork so many times that it doesn't excite me as much as like this one. This was the cover, this was the image they used for the cover of a little manga like special book they did. ImagineFX created a digital painting manga book. I did a quick look video of that as well. So these are my two favourite covers of the year, but I'm thinking this is still my favourite. But they're both sort of equally cool. So I'm actually very excited for this now. It's a beautiful bright cover as well, isn't it? With the pink spine, lovely that is. Billy's let us in. Even the adverts are manga anime Japanesey with Final Fantasy. Oh, this is going to be brilliant if we get to see the they might have the sketch of this on the DVD. Kisses for Claire, our editor. What has she got in store for us this week, I wonder? Not much manga. See, this is the disappointing thing. I was hoping for it to be nothing but manga stuff. But this is what we've got. That's nice. I love to draw girls. They're just naturally fun to draw. I agree with that. Stanley Lay. This is the FX Pose section, look. Little, vicious little bastards, these are. That's what I'm thinking. God, there's a lot of aggressiveness in this image. Yeah, you can feel the vicious. Look, you got the aggressiveness and then the playful sweetness. I'd much rather be in that world. That's nice as well, look. I love these ones. I like a little outfit. And then look, that's nice as well. Love it when you get humans with animals. I love it, I do. I prefer. See, imagine if that image was just that little girl with the... Is it a dog or something? I feel like that would have been more impactful actually. Just the girl with the little thingy and no other humans or animals. And you would sort of think to yourself, is it the end of the world and they're the only two left? Robots. That's nice as well. Reminds me of Journey. Journey mixed with Discworld. That's funny, isn't it? Look, they parked their spaceship in a car park. I love that. Hey, that was on one of the covers from last year. It's not the end of the world. Goblins! That's nice. This is another thing about going through the old issues. You find like old art books and stuff. Lee Carter. Oh yeah, they haven't had the art studios in these old ones. I wonder when they introduced the art studio. This is almost like you're looking inside of... Is that Harlequin down there? I'm not sure. No, I think it's a stormtrooper, a red stormtrooper or something. I love looking in artists' workspaces. This is the forum. Letters! Yeah, you got a free DVD with them if you subscribed. Lots of adverts. Artist Q&A, look. That's cool. How can I draw a character to look as if it's about to go into an action pose? That's nice as well. Very simple, but it's like emotional, that one. How can I make one piece of line art stand out from another? Oh yeah. Ding ding. Yeah. Ding ding cheng. Ding ding. We have a winner. This is a sketchbook. Oh, I love the sketchbooks. Oh, cool! Look at this. Is that Evangelion? The Art of Stanley Lay. Hey, they did the cover look. Oh, that would have been a beautiful cover. That one. See a little bit of panties as well. Yeah. Look, she's got Adidas trainers on here. Futuristic. Oh, she's got the Adidas stripes on her outfit. Love that. Even the ship, look, it's got Adidas on it. How brilliant is that? Oh, they've done the whole thing like makes it hard for the video. Hey, Chun-Li. See, I was thinking to myself, is that Street Fighter? I did think to myself, is that Street Fighter? But I didn't say it because I wasn't sure. It probably is. It's Street Fighter. Chun-Li, I love Chun-Li. That's the fire alarm. It's a test. He's right now. Going to art class here, look. Izzy Medrano. Got little polar bears here. That's I've seen that. I'm sure I've seen that before. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I like him. I'd like him to be my friend. Beautiful presentation here, look. And the traditional FX pose section. Nice style. I want your brains. Oh yeah, workshops, look. Making a magic manga heroine. Well, maybe it isn't Street Fighter then. It's got like a Street Fighter vibe to it, that one. I think it's beautiful. Oh, I love that. What they should have done, I think, is... Oh, they couldn't... Yeah, they could. They should have done a wraparound cover for this one. That would have been the front. And then the back would have been that. That would have been brilliant. Look at that, they're all coming together. Little sketches here, look. I love this, I love it. That is brilliant. Probably one of my favourite characters from the 2009 ImagineFX so far. Like the lighting on that one. Colour made easy. I would have put her visor down. I think I would have put her visor down and so you couldn't see the face. I feel like that face is distracting. Light your own worlds. Nice colour combination for the article. Purples. So next week we've got dive into our all-action video game art special. Cool. I hope it's video game characters and not just environments. Oh, I'm looking forward to that one. Dynamic water effects. Look at this, look. That's brilliant, isn't it? 10 Photoshop custom brushes. Transforming your image. Huh. Into the reviews. Wonder if anything is like going to be nostalgic or not. Manga Studio 4, look. Clip Studio Paint now, isn't it? I wish they had kept the name Manga Studio. I understand why they didn't. Hey look, Erotic Comics. A Graphic History Volume 2. That might be quite fun to get. The Day the Earth Stood Still. No, nothing from my... Nothing, I don't remember any of these. Afro Samurai, I played that on the PS3. It was a good game, that was. That's it. Oh, I love that. I really love that. Have I got that one? No. I'm not sure if I've got that DVD. Boing! Really enjoyed that one. It was issue number 43 of the ImagineFX magazines for May 2009. I love it. My highlight was probably this character. It's got to be this character here. And I'm going to look at... Hey look, it's Chester Okamo. Chester Okamo. I thought it was... Oh, I'll see what happened here then. Yeah, the cover artist is different from the back cover. So Stanley did the front cover, Chester did the back cover. Cool, that is. Next week we got this look. That's a nice one as well. So I hope you come back for that. Look at the look, they got a little shininess on the... I don't know if you can look. See that? Shininess on the stamps. Oh, the Japanese writing is shiny. It would have been nice if they'd done that with our tattoos. So I hope you come back for that one, and I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.